Hey, it's James the Weatherman here. How is everybody doing? Wasn't planning on going live today. There's only a marginal risk, but been a confirmed tornado, and they might issue. It wouldn't surprise me if they issued a tornado watch. If the if these storms stay together, would not surprise me if they issued a tornado watch. This is gonna be a brief stream because I'm gonna be talking about tomorrow and um, how it's setting up. But everybody say hi in the chat. I'll say hi back to you guys. Hello, Elizabeth. Hello, Ryan. Hello, Maloose. Hello, Tech. Not yet. Not that I know of. Yes, they did issue a tornado watch. Um, Tornado watch for portions of small part of Texas, Central Texas, effective this Tuesday morning and afternoon from 10:45 a.m. until 5 p.m. Couple tornadoes, possible isolated damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, and isolated large hail events. Okay, I'm going to say hi to each and every one of you, and I'll talk. Hey, Carson. Hey, Kim. Hey, Connie. Hey, Gavin. Hey, Yellow. Hey, Maloose. Hey, Ancient. Hey, Elizabeth. Hey, Jonathan. How is everybody doing today? Make sure you hit that like button. I likely gonna go live tomorrow. We'll talk more about that. They just issued a tornado watch. Um, I woke up this morning and I'm like, I'm looking at, because if you're in my Discord, you know I always look at weather. There's not even a moment that goes by um, that I'm always looking at weather. I'm always. Even if there's nothing on the radar, I'm just looking at weather. like, like, I'll stare at the radar just for a rain shower. Because that's how much I love. So, a small convection system across central Texas will likely persist in the afternoon with embedded supercells capable of producing a couple tornadoes. Um, Reminder, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. So I don't plan on being live a long time today. I have a few things I need to get done, but I'm gonna either, if this is still continuing when I have to, excuse me, when I have to do a few things, I'll just leave radar running. But I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody watched that video a couple days ago about the severe weather. Rosalie, are you in Texas? We have just north of San Antonio. We have another tornado warning. Oh, I'm gonna look at Storm Prediction Center real quick. Today is, you see that there's a marginal risk for severe weather in San Antonio, Austin, Lubbock, Round Rock, and College Station. And then up in Wyoming, you have a marginal risk as well. So what happened is the storms last night that were pushing from New Mexico into Texas kind of ran into a boundary that the storms tomorrow are supposed to get moisture from the Gulf, and this boundary has stop that moisture. So this could affect the storms tomorrow. It very well could affect the storms tomorrow. Yeah, I just read it, Deck. We'll look at storms tomorrow. They issued an enhanced risk area for good western part of Oklahoma and northern part of Texas. At 5% risk. We'll see how the winds are dealing with this. And if you haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. If you're new here, welcome. I am James the Weatherman. Didn't plan on going live today, but you know me, when tornado watch is issued, I'm going live. So, let's go over to the radar. And we'll look at this severe, just north of San Antonio. National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:49, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cross Mountain or near Bone, moving east at 20 miles per hour. So, if you're in this tornado warning, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in the mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Right now, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. There's not much hail, and the tornado warning is radar indicated. We have storms that are just to the southeast of Austin. At 10:35, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ronskier, 9 miles southwest of Smithville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. We can go up to the next one at 10:40. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Page or 7 miles north of Smithville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Giddings, Page, Fedor, Serban, Northrop, Hills, Lincoln, Busher State Park, and Bastrop State Park. If you're in these areas, like I said, take cover now and move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. So if you're camping right now, I know some places in Texas has opened up. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send the report to the National Weather Service. And like I said earlier, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. All it takes is a few inches of rain to swipe you off your feet and swipe the car. If you haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. Go to rules. Hit that check mark. And you can talk to meteorologists. You can talk to weather experts. We don't just talk about weather in there either. You can talk about anything. But right now there's a storm moving through Austin. It's not severe warned, but heavy rain. Heavy rain. Probably inch an hour. So that's what we're looking at right now. Like I said earlier, I don't plan on staying live a long time today. I have some things I gotta do, but you know me. When there's tornado watch, I'm usually on top of it. No slacking around. So that's why they call me the best weatherman on YouTube. Some people call me that. Probably get some strong winds in Austin, just south of Austin. Correct, Tech. If you just tuned in, make sure you hit that like button. I hope everybody's doing good today. We uh, we are on the road to 2,000 subs. Once we get 2,000 subs, we're doing a raffle giveaway. And for a weather station. So that's going to be fun. And you must be subscribed to win that. Right now we're in southern Texas near San Antonio, Elizabeth. So yes, there is stuff that's going on in Texas. Hello, Georgia. As you see on the screen, San Antonio, just north of San Antonio, there is a tornado warning. And to the northeast of it, there's several tornado warnings. So we're just keeping an eye on this. We got some rotation just north of Togo near Smithville. That's we can look at it. It's high base. Between 30 and 40,000 feet. So if you're in Smithville or Giddings, you need to take shelter now. Let me go see if we can pull up the satellite. Yeah, so here's satellite. As you can see, there's a few spots just near San Antonio. And then these are the storms that are high base that are producing those tornado warnings. So probably at this time where this is, uh, it wouldn't surprise me if there was likely a funnel of some sort. but yeah, it is. Right now, it's set up to be a. In those areas, it's. As you can see, the simulated reflectivity is showing those storms. We can look at the storms tomorrow. Here's the storms tomorrow. Around 6 to 7 p.m. There was a tornado warning that's observed. I don't see it. Okay. That one near Smithville that I was talking about earlier is observed. I don't know who it was observed by, but we can read it right now. At 11 a.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Smithville, moving northeast 20 miles per hour. Weather spotter confirmed tornado. And to repeat, tornadoes on the ground. Take cover now. So, this is likely a smaller tornado, but any tornado is not good. So, if you're in these areas, you need to take shelter. One moment. One moment, you guys. Okay, I'm back. So it is actually getting wider. So, and as you see right here, that could have been at one point. Let's see. Let's do a little bigger 3D. So this area right here could be something, but this is where the confirmed tornado was or is. And it's running about 25,000 feet. So, if you just tuned in, make sure you hit that like button. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's a quick stream. I might stream tomorrow. There may be some rotation up near Page. Right now we're watching the area just north of Smithville. Man, it looks like it's getting stronger. So, we need to keep an eye on this. Hey, the news unit. Hey, Bobby. Right now we're on track, like, because this is basically in Tornado Alley. So, May is usually when, but earlier this year we were a little off. Dixie Alley was getting pounded. Green is toward the radar, red is away from the radar, so you can see that it's it for sure has some rotation. So, and this is pretty wide, broad rotation. Well, it's kind of moved now. But this is the one that was confirmed. Oops. I think I think I may be the only weather streamer right now that's online. See, I take this stuff serious. I'm not gonna lie to you. Scenic Oaks, Fair Oaks Ranch. Uh, hopefully, hopefully you're taking shelter. So this is the NROT. The NROT kind of shows rotation. Is correlation coefficient. This is base reflectivity, and this is the the normal radar. Or this is base velocity, and this is base reflectivity. So if you have people in this area, make sure you share this out and let them know, hey, somebody's streaming. Um, Let them know that they should be, if they haven't already, should be taking shelter. I hope everybody's having, hey Ethan, I hope everybody's having a good day. I have stuff I have to do today, so make sure you join the Discord. I'm keeping this on and probably go for another hour or so. I want to make sure the threat right now is diminishes. If you haven't liked, make sure you hit that like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button. We're almost to 2,000 subs. Once we hit 2,000 subs, we are doing a raffle giveaway. $5 a ticket and $20 for 5 tickets. If you are a member to my channel, hey Galaxy, you get 1 free ticket. So, and there's a join button. You just join, and you get a free ticket. You don't even. And if you get tier 2, you get. I think tier 2 should get 5 free tickets. And tier 3 should get 20 free tickets. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm doing okay. I hope you're doing well. Okay. When you get to Discord, make sure you go to the rules and hit that green check mark. We're watching a confirmed tornado warning that is to the northeast of San Antonio, Texas, and basically to the west of Austin, Texas. Um, this one went to a severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, I will be. I gotta go do something. I'll be right. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. James the Weatherman is back here. How's everybody doing? Sorry, I have a few things I've had to do today, and there's a lot of back here. They issued a flash flood warning near Canyon Lake. I was looking, there's like 2 to 3 inches. Yeah, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rains across the area. Between 2 to 3 inches of rain have fallen. So, that means roadways are covered. It's a lot of rain. This one looks like it's kind of dying out. We'll see how it goes. I hope everybody's doing good today. And let's look at pivotal weather briefly. Or we could. I don't know how far this goes out. Yeah, it doesn't go out that far. So let's go. We are on the NAM 3K. So it's 12 p.m. It's showing that these storms are over this area. But I want to show you tomorrow. So if this doesn't take, I don't know how much this is going to affect Gulf moisture. As you can see on here, it's kind of pushing its way up to the northeast. From here, you can actually tell with these storms. So I don't know how that's going to affect tomorrow's storms, but I think I'm going to make a video tonight more in depth about the storms tomorrow. It's at about 1 p.m. We have some storms that are popping up near Lubbock, right on that western edge of near New Mexico. And they're going to be going east. North of Midland at 3 p.m. It's showing that there could be a small, maybe a bow starting at 3 p.m. It's going to push its way probably north to northeast. Now I'm suspecting tomorrow, if everything comes out right, I'm expecting that worst comes to worst, that they issue a tornado watch for Oklahoma City down to probably right around Dallas. Because this is about 7 p.m. like I was showing you on College of Dew page. This would be the line. I think it likely will be a squall line. Now, if these storms in front of it pop up as their isolated supercells, they may have a potential threat for tornadoes. I think once this becomes a squall line and everything is set up, I think it's going to be a wind event. But as I look at 8 p.m., it's kind of a linear. And it looks like it's going southeast on this. After my appointment today, I will likely make a video. So Dallas, probably around midnight, between 10 and midnight, you'll be getting some rain. But other than that, tomorrow, as I showed in my video a couple days ago, that the winds, we can actually look at that. We'll go over there and look at that right now. Let's let's go over and look at it real quick. I don't know why my thing keeps getting messed up. I really don't know why. Like now they're not been. I don't know. Oh wait, let's go to pivotal weather. Let's go to models. Let's go to NAM 3K. Let's go regional. And to me, it's 7 p.m. tonight. Let's see. So in these areas that was on WSV3 that I was showing you, I'm not looking at chat right now, so just hold your questions until I tell you that I'm looking at chat. But the way I look at it right now, it will probably be a severe thunderstorm watch. We can look at a couple soundings. The soundings are going to be probably reckless. I don't know. Yeah, this the wind. It's the wind gets stronger up here on 300 millibar. We can go here. Let's go 500 millibar. The wind is stronger than it was the other day. 850 millibar. The wind is much stronger. This is closer to the surface. Much stronger than it was the couple days ago. So this photograph is showing temperatures 63, pretty strong winds, and once you go up, as you see the barbs, they kind of get really flattened out. Then, so lighter winds between the 5 to 300 millibars, and then you go up a little bit and probably 20 to 30 knots. Severe weather, we can look at the Cape. Cape really doesn't matter. If you don't got winds in the upper atmosphere, the energy is there, so you could get some hail, large hail, and damaging wind. But if the wind isn't there, in the upper atmosphere to spin it up. We can look at it briefly, but I can just show you. We can find yeah, let's just look here. This photograph is probably likely than a marginal tornado risk. You got around 800 millibars, you got it capped. So I'm just significant hail. You can see. Let's look at the helicity. Now this is kind of the shear in the atmosphere. And this is 0 to 1 kilometer up. So like I said, I'm not looking at chat right now. So hold your questions until I'm done talking about this. But in this area, as of right now, the helicity is showing that there could be some spots up here near that corner of Oklahoma and Texas, and then could be down here, I think, south of Amarillo. I think Amarillo's right here. South of Amarillo. So I did think that we seen on the this it breaks the cap at around 850 millibars, so less than a kilometer up. Let's look at the supercells as we go into the day. Just a better explanation. When it's yellow, that means supercells could pop up in the area. It's not something that, hey, there's going to be a supercell in Oklahoma City and Tulsa. No, that's incorrect. There likely probably won't even be a storm in northern Oklahoma. And it gets even darker up there. There's probably not going to be a storm up there. There could be. Very well, there could be. But as of right now, as we were looking at the future reflectivity, it was showing it was further down here, and then it started moving southeast. Southeast towards Dallas area. We can look at a significant tornado. Down here is showing that could be a false reading, what they call on. But say tornado threat isn't there. We can go in closer to. Now, this is very questioning. This would be like right around 3. Now, if this is not a false reading, south of Midland, it looks like it's capped. But south of Midland could get some strong, severe storms. We can look at supercell. There's supercells that are possible down there. Let's look at helicity. This is the energy in the air. Then we look at this. This is the spin in the air. You don't see much spin down there. That's why that sounding was not a good sounding. So it's all really. We can look at this time and we can look at 500 millibars, and the winds are pretty calm at this time. That's 500 millibars. We can go to 800 millibars. This is pretty close to the surface, about 3,000 feet. Down here in this area where that significant tornado perimeter was located that said it was strong, there's, let's see if we can, if you go further up, close to Midland, maybe north of Midland, I think that's Midland, right? Yeah, that is Midland. In the Midland area, it gets up to 30 now. That's 850 millibar. We can look at the temperature. Yeah, 20 degrees Celsius. So it's warm. It's right around 80 degrees. most unstable cape. There's cape to the east of it. Well, wasn't it kind of in this area? But my big question is if the this looks like hail. If something can fire up and it can break cap and it's got some high level winds, if it has the high where it's, I'm thinking more like between 30 to 40 knots, maybe 50 knots. I think it very well could be, there could be a storm. See, on just the regular NAM, it's showing 40 knots in that area. What is it showing for supercell? Very light supercell to the north. But see what it's looking at reflectivity. It's not even showing there's a storm. But that doesn't mean anything. It does not mean anything. This it could be a messy situation. So I think tonight, once the closer, once, let's see if rapid doesn't go out yet. The RAP model doesn't go out that far. So once HRRR gets out that far, and once the RAP model goes out far enough, we'll start to get a better explanation on what's gonna happen. Let's go back to radar, and I'm gonna go to the YouTube, and if you have questions, okay. Hey, Stephanie, I don't know how far back, but if you had questions, ask them now. Gavin, I don't have that weather thing set up. Hey, Andrew. Any questions? Tech, I don't think I'm going to be here for an hour or more, maybe. I don't know. Hey, Stephanie. Hey, Alfred. So, people that just joined the Discord, make sure you go into rules and you hit that check mark. If you are in the Discord and you haven't hit that check mark, go check if you can't see the channels, because you won't be able to see the channels until you hit that check mark. But that's what it looks like for tomorrow. They extended this tornado warning at 11:55. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Giddings, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. So heavy rainfall, remember, and it will hide the tornado. So, what do I mean by hiding the tornado? Hiding the tornado, if you look out in the sky when there's when heavy rain's coming, you can usually see a rain drape. Like, it kind of looks like Houston area. Houston down, no. Kind of looks like a drape. And so when there's a tornado and it's rain wrapped, it's looks like there's drapes around the tornado or around the circulation in the tornado or the circulation in the clouds. It all, we all, so it's hard. So when there's a tornado warning and it says rain wrapped, this is what I say. Assume that there's a tornado on the ground. If you're in this area, if you're in the polygon area, assume that a tornado's on the ground. So take shelter when you're in those areas. Now, if you're not in the area, stay weather aware. Because at any moment, tornado watch or a warning can happen. So, I have another update. Okay, I'm back. So, my next update is. Yes, I know. You're going to be like, we're in severe weather season. What's going on? Right? Um, let me. Let me pull it up here. Okay. Let me pull it up. What is this? This is the National Hurricane Center issuing a low pressure system is expected to develop this weekend to the northeast of the Bahamas. Environmental conditions appear conducive for the system to acquire some subtropical characteristic as it moves northeastward through Sunday. Yes, I said it. Do I think it's going to become a hurricane? No, but yeah, some strong, yeah. You can be as disappointed as I am. It's alright. I'll allow it. 3 miles west southwest of Busher State Park. Storm report reported a tornado. Why isn't it on here? But yes, that is something we need to watch out for. So the National Hurricane Center did issue that. I don't know if anybody has said anything. It was actually, I think it was 2 hours ago, so I'm sure not too many people not too many people recognized it yet or got to it. They're not like me. I'm on top of things. They switched the outlook to a slight risk where we are right now. Tomorrow we could have some isolated discrete cells. Right now, there is none for north central Arkansas. I don't know why this hasn't. Who reported that? It must have been. Let me go look into it. So, 3 miles west southwest of Busher State Park in Texas, roof taken off, house and small barn destroyed, cars flipped. That was the report. That was the report. Where I'm looking into it right now. And let's see. Yeah, it was 11:46. That's all they have. This is right. This is actually right where it was confirmed. I think it was confirmed. It was west of Smithville, like I said. Roof taken off a house, small barn destroyed, and cars flipped. So, basically, a little bit north and then west of. It's near Colorado River. Farm to Market Road 2571. basically straight west of Smithville Airport. Here, I'll pull this up on the screen. So, Austin's right here. To where it's at. Throughout the week, we can look. Tomorrow, probably nothing tomorrow. Maybe showers late. Yeah, you're in the general risk of regular thunderstorms. Possibly tomorrow. Possibly tomorrow. So we're gonna see how this turns out here, and then I think I'm gonna. I think I'm. What do you mean you can't hear me? I think. Because this is moving out of the tornado watch area. Let's see if they haven't said anything. Yeah, see you later. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this, and then uh, May goal is for, due to not having a job currently. It sucks, trust me. Hopefully I can go back soon. But until then, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Um, could, maybe. And then I'm going to look more into tomorrow's severe weather. And then stay tuned to the Discord, as I will update you in the Discord if I'm going to go live. It might be a couple hours in advance notice. Like, I might not let you know tonight if I'm going live tomorrow. And if there's a tornado watch issued, I will likely go live. And if you haven't, go check out my latest video. I'm gonna try upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week. I have been thinking about, like, in the future, big tornado events. I'm going to make a video about those. Right now, I can't tell the future, but they may have a chance of some severe weather. I don't know if tornadoes. I honestly don't think. You guys need to turn your volume up if you can't hear me, because my volume is all the way up. So let me see. So if you're in Caldwell, College Station, Snook, Somerville, Wixon Valley, all the way up to Madisonville, you have a storm that's coming your way. To let you know. But I have an appointment I have to get to. So I'm going to end it. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. And join the Discord. And I will talk to you guys. If I stream tomorrow, I'll talk to you tomorrow. If not, I'll probably message on community tabs or something. But make sure you like, subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Stay weather aware if you're in those cities that I mentioned. And if you're in a warning of any kind, including a flash flood warning, be aware, don't drive through flooded waters. And like I said, I hope everybody has a good day. I am James the Weatherman, and I will see you guys next time. Stay weather aware.